The United States' unclear crypto policies have led businesses like Ripple to explore investing outside the nation. Brad Garlinghouse has claimed the Ripple CEO advised the U.S. to follow the U.K. and Singapore. How do you think this will affect the cryptocurrency and the U.S. economy? We will answer these questions in today's video. With a 25-year experience in the financial business, renowned Wall Street veteran Linda P. Jones has provided her professional ideas on what prospective Ripple public offering IP may look like after a final judicial verdict in the current litigation. Jones used a back of the envelope calculation to determine Ripple's stock value in a recent video. Ripple shares are now valued at $35, representing a $5.07 billion valuation, according to Linkto statistics. Notably, Linkto enables investors to purchase a company's equity prior to its first public offering, IPO. Linkto's number, however, is disproportionately low when compared to Ripple's previous performance and huge XRP holdings, according to Jones. Jones underlined Ripple's massive XRP reserves, stating that the 42 billion XRP tokens in escrow are presently worth at $21 billion, assuming a market cost of 50 cents per token. This price alone more than quadruples Ripple's current market value, showing a major undervaluation. Jones used the successful IPO of Coinbase, America's biggest crypto exchange, to back up her claim. Coinbase's worth increased exponentially after going public, with a valuation skyrocketing from $86 billion to incredible height. Jones hypothesized that if Ripple were valued similarly to Coinbase at $86 billion and coupled with its $21 billion XRP assets, the entire price might reach an astounding $107 billion, nearly 20 times the present market value. Jones forecasted a startling $150 billion valuation for Ripple's escrowed XRP reserves alone if XRP regained its prior high value of $3.59. Such an astounding sum would need a significant rise in Ripple's stock price in order to match with this value. Jones said that major businesses such as Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon have been valued in the trillions and billions of dollars. Given Ripple's potential and connection with world-class firms, Jones believes a value of $500 billion is possible. The financial expert determined that Ripple's stock appeared to be an appealing investment opportunity, with the potential for a 20-fold growth. From where we are now, it is worth 20 times what it is on Linkto. So it's a terrific purchase, a great investment, and I believe it can only go better from there, she said. Notably, Ripple's CEO recently hinted to the company's impending IPO, as reported by the Crypto Basics. According to speculation, the IPO might take place. Ali Martinez, a cryptocurrency expert, highlights the increased XRP network activity as a positive indicator for the cryptocurrency's price trajectory. Martinez's findings, based on sentiment data, show a significant spike in the creation of new addresses on the XRP blockchain, a traditional indicator of impending price increases. This new oddity in address formation has piqued people's curiosity in recent days. Today, a leading cryptocurrency news portal first reported on this strange behavior in late May, citing Sentiment's findings. The address creation surges have been significant, ranking second and third in the history of XRP address activity monitoring. XRP's value has increased by 11 in the previous week alone. However, it is currently facing severe selling resistance at the critical 54 cents level. Overcoming this obstacle is critical to achieving the next target of 6 cents. Whether the price will truly rise, as Martinez predicts, remains to be seen. XRP, famed for its ability to defy market trends, has caught the curiosity of traders and investors once again. While some see this as a positive indication, others remember the token's turbulent history and remain suspicious. The important issue is whether this significant increase in the XRP network will translate into a significant price surge or whether it is just another false beacon of hope. Concurrently, the imminent publication of SEC's William Hinman's emails has sparked interest in the XRP community. In preparation, the SEC has prominently deleted portions of Hinman's biography from its website. This has fueled conjecture among XRP supporters that the SEC is planning to distance itself from Hinman ahead of the email's publication. The aforementioned communications are crucial in the current SEC EVs. Ripple litigation. Following the SEC's complaint against Ripple for breaches of US securities laws, Ripple sought access to drafts of Hyman's 2018 speech in order to improve its fair notice argument. Hyman defined Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities in his remarks, but he did not explain the legal position of XRP. Despite the SEC's efforts to conceal these papers, a judgment issued last month denied their application. The unredacted emails, as well as other summary judgment evidence, will be made public on June 13, 2020. As the long-running dispute comes to a finish, pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton believes the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has a less than 3% chance of winning outright. The creator of crypto law has been a strong supporter of Ripple against the SEC, which launched a complaint against the business in December 2020, stating that the sale of its XRP was fraudulent. In a June 3 episode of the Good Morning Crypto podcast, Deaton predicted that presiding U.S. District Judge Torres will rule in Ripple's favor outright, with a 25% probability that Ripple would win via a split-in-the-baby judgment. This alludes to Judge Torres possibly drawing a line in the sand, in which she might find that XRP was sold as an unregistered security prior to 2018. However, in the aftermath of the Hyman papers, which pertain to internal SEC correspondence connected to a 2018 lecture delivered by former SEC Director William Hyman, cryptocurrencies may be able to move from securities to commodities once sufficiently decentralized. I believe that XRP will be deemed not to be a security and that secondary market sales will demonstrate comment. Even if a Judge Torres rules that Ripple broke the law, it does not extend to secondary market transactions, according to Deaton. While Ripple officials, including CEO Brad Garlinghouse, have long predicted an end to the SEC's roller coaster case, Deaton said that Judge Torres would most likely make a definitive ruling by September 30 of this year. Deaton drew attention to a 6-month list that district judges must submit to Congress. The list includes any summary judgments that have been pending for more than 6 months. It is released at the end of March and the end of September. Deaton also predicted the price of Ripple's native XRP coin in the event of a favorable decision. Deaton told Cointelegraph on May 22 that the Ripple community should keep a watch on June 13, when investors will find out whether XRP was discussed between SEC staff prior to the Hyman speech. The Hyman documents will very certainly be unsealed on this day, which might have a significant influence on the case. There are also reports that Ripple may file for an IPO as a public business when the dispute is resolved. According to Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett's June 2 tweet, Ripple held a roadshow where it visited with underwriters and other investors to gauge interest in a prospective public offering.